I feel like I'm losing.
Features that makes a visible YouTube video. There are several features that can make a YouTube video clickable and increase the likelihood that viewers will click on and watch the video. Here are some important features to consider. 1. Eye-catching thumbnail. The thumbnail is the first thing viewers will see when browsing for videos on YouTube, so it's important to have a visually appealing and attention-grabbing thumbnail. Use clear and bright images, and consider using text overlays or other design elements to make the thumbnail stand out. 2. Title. The title should be descriptive and accurately reflect the content of the video. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to the topic, and try to make the title compelling and attention-grabbing. 3. Descriptive and engaging video description. The video description is an opportunity to provide more information about the video and entice viewers to click on it. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to the topic, and consider adding a call to action to encourage viewers to watch the video. 4. Engaging content. The content of the video should be engaging, informative, and relevant to the title and thumbnail. Use storytelling techniques to make the video more interesting and keep viewers engaged. 5. Good production quality. The production quality of the video is important, as it can impact how viewers perceive the content. Use good lighting, clear audio, and high-quality video equipment to make the video look and sound professional. 6. Length. Keep the length of the video in mind, as shorter videos tend to perform better on YouTube. Try to keep the video under 10 minutes, and focus on providing value and keeping viewers engaged throughout. By incorporating these features into your YouTube videos, you can make them more clickable and increase the likelihood that viewers will click on and watch your content. Here are some technical features that makes YouTube videos more clickable. There are several technical features that can make YouTube videos more clickable, and some YouTubers may not be aware of them. Here are some examples. 1. Video SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing your video and channel for search engines like Google and YouTube. This can involve using keywords in your title, description, and tags, as well as optimizing your video's metadata and using closed captions. 2. Annotations and cards. Annotations and cards are interactive elements that you can add to your video to encourage viewers to take action, such as subscribing to your channel, watching another video, or visiting a website. These can be powerful tools for increasing engagement and click-through rates. 3. End screens. End screens are a feature that allows you to promote your other videos, channels, or websites at the end of your video. This can help keep viewers engaged and encourage them to click on your other content. 4. Custom thumbnails. Custom thumbnails can be more visually appealing and attention-grabbing than the automatic thumbnails generated by YouTube. You can create custom thumbnails using design software or by taking a screenshot from your video and adding text or other design elements. 5. Cross-promotion. Cross-promotion involves promoting your videos and channel on other social media platforms, websites, or forums. This can help you reach a wider audience and increase your visibility on YouTube. By incorporating these technical features into your YouTube strategy, you can increase the visibility and engagement of your videos and make them more clickable for viewers. Why are people so glued to some YouTube videos than others? There are many features of a YouTube video that can make it interesting and engaging for viewers. Here are some features that people may not be aware of. 1. Unique perspective or angle. Videos that provide a unique perspective or angle on a topic can be more interesting than those that simply cover the basics. Look for ways to offer a fresh perspective or highlight a unique aspect of your topic. 2. Emotional connection. Videos that create an emotional connection with viewers are often more memorable and engaging. Use storytelling techniques, humor, or other tactics to create an emotional connection with your audience. 3. Variety of visuals. Videos that incorporate a variety of visuals, such as footage, images, graphics, and animations, can be more visually interesting and engaging than those that rely on one type of visual. 4. Interactive elements. Interactive elements, such as polls, quizzes, or other games, can make your video more engaging and encourage viewers to participate. 5. Unpredictability. Videos that are unpredictable or surprise viewers in some way can be more memorable and engaging. Look for ways to inject unexpected elements into your video to keep viewers interested. 6. Length. The length of your video can impact how interesting it is to viewers. In general, shorter videos tend to perform better on YouTube. Try to keep your video under 10 minutes and focus on providing value and keeping viewers engaged throughout. By incorporating these features into your YouTube videos, you can make them more interesting and engaging for viewers and increase the likelihood that they will watch and share your content. Why are some videos more viewed than others with the same content? There are several reasons why some videos with the same content can be more viewed than others. Here are some possible factors. 1. Quality of production. Videos that are well produced with high-quality visuals, clear audio, and professional editing can be more engaging and visually appealing to viewers. If two videos cover the same content, but one is produced with higher quality, that video may attract more views. 2. Headline and thumbnail. The headline and thumbnail of a video are often the first things that viewers see, and they can have a significant impact on whether or not viewers choose to click and watch the video. A compelling headline and thumbnail can generate curiosity and interest, while a bland or unappealing one can turn viewers off. 3. Timing. The timing of when a video is uploaded can also impact its view count. Videos uploaded during peak viewing hours or during a trending topic or event may have a higher chance of being seen by more viewers. 4. Distribution. How a video is distributed and promoted can also impact its view count. Videos that are shared on social media platforms or promoted through advertising campaigns may reach a larger audience and receive more views. 5. Engagement. Videos that generate engagement from viewers, such as likes, comments, and shares, can increase the video's visibility and reach on YouTube. Videos with more engagement signals are more likely to be recommended to new viewers, leading to more views over time. Overall, there are many factors that can impact the view count of a video on YouTube, and these factors can be complex and interrelated. By understanding these factors and optimizing your video production, promotion, and engagement strategies, you can increase the likelihood that your videos will be viewed by more people. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.